extremely last minute. A couple hours ago I decided I wanted to race this car. You guys will understand more so why later on in the next few weeks. But we have not raced this car in over a year. The car is running great. We're gonna keep this thing turned out today. It's on its 800 wheel map and just have some fun. All the boys there are racing. I'll go ahead and like show you guys all the cars that we have there tonight. But this should be a fun time. The last time I raced this car was over a year ago now, and it feels right that we race it tonight. It's the last day of racing at our local track until next season. Now, a quick little pit stop before we get to the track. We gotta fill this thing up with some fuel. As you guys know, you guys haven't been seeing much videos with this car. It's been pretty neglected. We're gonna go ahead and top this thing off with fuel. I am doing a dumb thing of driving this car to the track and hoping to drive it home. We're not doing anything crazy with this car today. I just want to enjoy the season kickoff racing tonight. We're gonna keep this car turned down, but we're gonna go ahead and top this thing off and get to the racetrack.
35.
Oh, that's not bad at all. So I guess it's 20 bucks and 15 bucks. Thank you.
Here's a waiver. Oh, sorry.
No, you're good.
The waiver on the side. Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Driver's yellow.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
I signed your life away for it.
Perfect.
What up, sexy?
Look at that!
Oh, wow.
I know, I'm just as
I was
surprised.
about to say, you got to film a video.
It's been a long time coming. We're out here.
I think the last time, this is fun. We have Devin out here in his Evo. Obviously, Josh has his VA. I believe Devin is bringing the NSX as well. We have our boy Brian, his all-wheel drive Honda. I had to come out tonight. It's been a year since actually all of us have raced together. It's over a year now. So this is pretty nostalgic and it's gonna be a fun time. Hoping for some solid A to B passes in this car. As you guys know, like I mentioned, it's been over a year since the last time I raced this thing. But I'm excited, I'm here just for the fun. I'm not trying to make a point, turn this car up anything crazy. We're just here for some fun. Yeah, and there's Devin with his stock motor Evo 10.
What's up, baby?
What are you running tonight?
Hopefully 16.
That's 16. Oh, this car looks so good though. If you guys are unfamiliar with like track days, we have to go through something called tech. That's essentially where they just inspect the car, make sure everything is safe to go down the track. So we have a little fun sheet we have to fill out here, just basic stuff. We'll go through the tech line, they'll look at the car, hopefully tell me I'm good to go, and then we can get into this ginormous line I have to show you guys. I mean, it's the last race of the season. There's well over 100 cars here, but it should be a pretty fun night.
There may be another 22, I don't know.
That works just fine.
I'll draw you a happy face.
Oh, I love it, thank you.
I'm not such a bad guy after all.
Thank you.
That dude's a G.
I was so scared of it.
The one pro of night racing, it gets chilly, but when you wear a full race suit, it's like a big old blanket. Ugh. This suit is so dirty from just... I use this like to wipe my hands and whatnot in the shop. I haven't raced in a long time. Now, in order to go as fast as humanly possible, we gotta remove my headlight and put on my fancy intake. It's just gonna sit, something like that. It maximizes the air that I can get to my turbo, especially because I have a headlight in. It's blocking it, so we're gonna remove the headlight, put this intake on, and get my 7 second pass tonight.
Just take the hood off.
Like I don't think it's legal.
Oh, good God. Wow.
And she goes.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
He's about to get
Are
gassed.
we lining it up?
I thought you were racing the van. That looks like more your type.
I bet that thing makes like 3,000.
Not when it's loaded. It's like,
Well, they're grudge racing.
I don't know what that means.
It means like you hide your horsepower. Like no one knows how much power you have. Yeah, like, always like you race for money.
so work then. How fast can it be?
I'm not lining up with Josh. Hell no.
Well, you'll probably line up.
You know they pull 10 from each lane. Now I'm really happy. Actually, I might be not happy. Josh is going in front of us. You guys will have to watch Josh's video, but I'm pretty sure he has this thing on just kill mode. It is the last race of the year, so who cares? Take out a motor and whatnot. I'm excited to see that car. Last time he's gotten 8-9 out of this car with a lot less than what he has right now. The key is to see if it goes straight, but his car should be pretty damn rowdy. Mustang, bro. Oh shit.
Remy?
Well, as you guys saw, my car did not leave. We need to do some anti-lag testing. Obviously, as you guys heard, anti-lag was on the car, but the launch control, I need to go in and see if my RPM range is something different. There was no point in rolling out on it. It's just gonna hurt the motor more. So we're gonna do a quick test, bring the car back out, and I should actually properly have anti-lag this time so I can actually launch the damn car. Kind of a good thing. I got the nerves shaken off a little bit, but yeah, we need to get Josh behind the computer here and figure out what's going on. Woo! That bitch works, baby. That shit works. Hell yeah, baby. That sounded gnarly. It works, baby.
Now we know. Ah, damn. Sorry, guy.
No, you're good. I got my nerves shaken off. Now let's go do a pass. Let me tell you something. Oh yeah, split log wood. I got anti-lag now, baby.
Yeah.
Dude, two-step it right here.
Fucking
in his ear.
hit is winning if they're at the same power level.
Yeah, we're the same power, same weight too.
Yeah.
Or who could drive better? You probably could drive better.
I don't know.
Is it this one? All right, we got the car fixed. We have a, let's look how long this line is though. Look at this, dude.
Only time he calls me is when he has problems.
I've ever seen a line.
7 lanes as well. There's quite a few cars out here tonight. So we probably at least have a good hour and a half, 2 hours until we're up again. All right, well, I don't even know, 2.5 hours later, I think they're about to pull us out of our lanes.
Let's go, baby!
Dev and I are gonna be lining up. Can I get right lane? What? Can I get right lane? Bet. Dev and I are about to line up. His Evo, we make basically the same power. The cars weighs the same. I mean, it'll just be fun, a friendly little competition. So I'm gonna line up with Devin. This might be our only pass of the night. I mean, it's already 10 something, and it's a long, long night, but hopefully we can get a solid A to B. The anti-lag seems to be working now. So yeah, let's go. Predictions. Devin might honestly have me. I think I'm gonna run, I'm hoping for a 9.9 at 148. I think Devin's gonna drop 142 at a 10.1. That's my prediction. Well, another 30-ish minutes later, they're pulling the last lane right now. We're up next, getting the car warmed up. It's really, really cold outside. I want to make sure the oil gets to its proper operating temperature. But I'm excited. This race should be pretty damn good. We make the same power. The car is way the exact same. It should be a pretty interesting race. But yeah, I'm excited to see what the outcome's gonna be.
Let's go, baby! 990s together.
What if we both run a 990? I'd be so happy, dude. That would be such a badass. If you guys don't know, I ran this car last year. I had a ton of issues with the car, but no excuses. My personal best is a 10.4 at 154, I believe the mile an hour was. Obviously, if you guys are familiar with these cars, the mile an hour is there for all the power. Unfortunately, I just did not have a good 64. I was back halving. I'm hoping today we can get a better time. Unfortunately, I don't have that much more seat time with this car, as this car has been pretty absent on the channel for some time now.
If they don't jump in the right lane, it's going to be...
Dude, the nerves are getting to me. God damn it. Fuck, dude. Ah, dude, I cannot. Second gear, dude.
Okay, I don't know what's going on with Josh, but we got him still down there. I'm gonna try to hightail it to Remy.
Thank you. Oh shit, dude! I knew that launch was good. I just cut a 1.460 foot. I knew that launch was solid. A 1.460 foot, dude. Oh, okay. It was a shitty pass, but Josh is gonna be stoked about the 1.4. Ah, that's fucking good.
Did you miss second?
Yeah, I couldn't grab it. It was like locking me out. Huh? What was your mile an hour?
141, but fucking 1.860.
I cut a 1.4.
You did?
I cut a 1.4.
Yeah, my 60 foot way the fuck down.
Yeah, I cut a 1.4. Look at this. Yeah, look at that.
Can you line back up?
Yeah. Yeah. Was not able to grab second. I tried doing a hit on this car on the street. Was not able to grab second. Thought maybe I was just pussy shifting it. I was not able to grab second there. Again, we're gonna line it up again. But what I'm proud of is our 60 foot. We just cut a 1.4. Like, that's not too bad. Like, no handbrake, nothing. 1.4 60 foot. But Josh broke. We gotta go see what happened. They got the tow truck.
Yeah, I think there's some drivetrain something.
Well, as you guys just saw, second gear is not my friend. When we get this thing back to the shop, we're gonna just do a simple fluid flush. But what I am really impressed about, as you guys saw, we were cooking out of the gate. I cut another 1.4 60 foot, which is insane. The car is there. This thing is ready for nines. It will not allow me to get into second gear. It's not a driver thing, I swear to you guys. It just will not let me engage. As you guys saw as well, I got pissed off, threw third, went back into anti-lag. Kind of got a little squirrely. At least in my view, it looked like I almost smacked that wall. I let off and then I just coasted. Obviously, the reason I'm letting off is this car is on anti-lag. It's pointless to get into it and like do a hit afterwards, so we just rode the gears out, but I'm happy with the 60 foot. Well, let me see what, I got a check engine light, should probably check what that is. At the end of the day here, it is, I don't know, 1 o'clock in the morning. We got 3 passes, unfortunately did not get what I wanted, but I am very happy with the PB. I cut 2.14 60 foots, which is absolutely amazing. And the best part is we drove this car here. Now we're driving it back home. It's a little late, so I'll probably catch up with you guys tomorrow. But overall, a pretty successful night. Can't go over the facts. Like, today was such a big W. One, we haven't raced this car in over a year, as you guys know. But we're driving this thing at home. Like, no hiccups, no nothing. We're at 70 PSI oil pressure, just cruising right now, 2,000 RPM. Like, this thing is good to go. Huge shout out to Josh, one, for the amazing tune. And I mean, this stout motor. I mean, this is incredible. I just, unfortunately, as you guys know, wish I was able to get an actual A to B pass. I mean, we got A to B safely, which is the biggest thing. Yeah, 70 PSI oil pressure right now, and we're driving this thing home with one headlight, no turn signals, no license plate. We're taking some back roads. But yeah, this is the ultimate daily race car. Now the next day, for some reason, racing always just drains you. We were there till 1 something in the morning, but as you guys can see, we have the STI behind us here. We drove it to the track, drove it back home. You can't ask for a better result than that. Unfortunately, we couldn't get any solid A to B passes, but we did PB, our 60 foot consistent 1.4s, which is absolutely amazing. I just wanted to make this video. I know there's been a huge lapse of content on YouTube recently. That is because I've been trying to do one big video with this Honda. We've been working non-stop on that thing. The next video, we'll have power to the car, which is going to be insane. Make sure you guys stay tuned. But we've also had a ton of personal things happening as well. If you guys have been watching for a while, you guys know this is where we used to film every video in my home shop. As you guys can see, we're doing a complete reconstruction as we're moving everything back into the shop in the near future. That shop's gonna be insane. We have tons and tons of crazy content coming for you guys, but I wanna give you guys a quick walk around sneak peek of the shop. For starters, our driveway used to be really small. Recently, we just went through and tore up our side lawn. We're gonna be paving this whole driveway. Driveway is ginormous now. It's kind of hard to showcase on camera, but as you guys can see, we're doing a full shop remodel. Beforehand, we had a sliding door there, 2 individual garage doors there, and the lean-to was there, obviously nothing covering it. We tore down this entire wall, filled that is now a wall, and we're putting a 16-foot door here. It'd be insane. We removed the loft, so this shop feels ginormous now. We removed, there was a whole wall separating the shop from the lean-to. This is gonna be one big open space now, but just take a look at this garage door, absolutely insane. I'm so excited. This shop should be wrapped up in the next month and a half-ish. Move everything back in here. And I actually purchased a new car. If you guys have been active on my other social media channels, you guys know I purchased a car. No one knows what it is yet. You guys on YouTube will be the first people to see. But that is going to be the first build we're doing in this shop. It's going to be insane. I promise you guys are going to be blown away with what we picked up. But I just wanted to hop on here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this just fun, no stress video at the racetrack. We got all the boys there. We all ran good times. No one broke that seriously, which is really good. No one took out a motor or anything like that. So it was a perfect way to end off our race season.